This visualization is very helpful in moments when you have many inner voices that are driving you a bit crazy, and when you don't really want to be by yourself. So this meditation is going to bring you into peace, alignment. So find a place to sit in the most comfortable way you can, with your hips very well planted and your back really straight, like there was a cord pulling up all your body from your crown up. And you can put your hands not crossed, just comfortably on your lap. Now that you have found your sitting position, have a let the air get into your beautiful lungs. And as you exhale, you imagine that you take a lift and you go down, down, down. You take another deep breath in. And you go in your lift deeper and deeper and deeper. And on the third breath, you breathe in. And you take your lift and you go down, 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 down. You're in a place that you know very, very well. This is a place of your soul. It's a beautiful, beautiful house where all the mini you live. You can see a baby you, a toddler, a teenager. You see many, many versions of you. The scene is chaotic because the versions of you don't precisely agree with each other. This one is angry, that one is crying, the other one is hiding. This is more or less how your mind works. Arguing with each other, thoughts that bother you often. And you see everything. You see everything as a grown-up woman you are. And you take a seat. You take a seat with peace and power. Like this powerful and serene mother that you can be. With an authority that your own grown-up self has. Everybody realizes that you are there without you opening your mouth. And they are starting to come on towards you. All of them start walking towards you. They sit on your lap. They get hugged by your arms. There is a space for everyone. Everyone is welcome. Nobody is forgotten. As they lie down on your lap, they calm down. As they lie down on your lap, they integrate with each other. They merge with each other. Harmoniously, almost like if they became a big skirt. You haven't noticed, but behind you, there is deep, big power behind you. Behind you is this big mother. The great Mother Earth, the great Divine Feminine, has your back. She's composed by all the women who have passed, all the wise women, full of wrinkles and gray hair, full of love, compassion, and power. They have your back. You are loved. You are cared. You are carried by all the ones who pass before you. You're powerful. So powerful that all these petty worries of those ideas that are in your mind don't have a chance. Don't have a chance to give you any suffering because they are showered with love. All those worries of the past are just transmuted into the certainty, the knowing, that well-being, that love, that white light is everything that there is. You feel really this support from your back, from all your ancestors, all the love in the front from all your little selves. And it's just like magic. You feel yourself like a gigantic mountain. Standing tall, majestic mountain. A village somewhere. A bear, a cave, a little river, squirrels. There is so much life in the mountain. The wind, butterflies. There is harmony in all the diversity. All your contradictions can live in the mountain. There is peace, serenity in the just being, without any need to rush or worry. You are holding life. You're allowing it to be. Feel that sense of peace and of power. Of not needing to rush, run, or push. But the stillness being your power. In a stillness, you are doing so much. Your guidance is giving you advice at this moment. We are going to slowly come back to our room and feeling again sitting down with our inner voices as they awaken in peace and harmony. To stay there in your unconscious, helping you and guiding you. The creativity of your young child, the worries of your inner critic, and all these other archetypes are your friends. And they are in calm. You can come back to this place anytime you need. You can befriend them because they are there to help you. And you can come back to see the great mother, because she's largely unemployed and totally infinite for you. Infinite. Whenever you need anything, you can ask. And there is nothing you need to do to deserve it. You deserve it exactly how you are. It's time to come back to this room and this body and this chair. And we're going to go back the same way we came. So now you're going to take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, you imagine that you take the lift up. Take a deep breath in. And exhale as you go higher and higher, returning to this very room. And we take another deep breath in. And as we exhale, we come back to this very room, more awake, healthier, and more power. As you can, as you want, you can start moving again, your head, your hands. Open your eyes at your own time. This could be a good time for you to journal, to see which patterns you need to let go of, which message you receive. Simply to journal about the experience. And to give thank you to yourself for giving yourself this time to become more harmonious within. Many blessings.